In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you 5 simple things that will boost your time management skills. The struggle we have to improve our time management skills can begin with small, simple, everyday work habits. Everyone has the same 24 hours in a day. But the trick to being more productive is using those hours efficiently. Here are 5 simple things that you can do that will help boost your time management skills and make you more productive. Start work at the same time every day. When you start working at the same time every day, you will help your mind set itself into productivity mode. Starting work at a fixed time will also help you keep your deadlines and avoid running late. Starting work at the same time is a vital self-discipline practice that will ultimately lead you to have more productive days. Use the first 10 minutes to plan your day. Without clear plans and priorities in place, you'll risk wasting too much time working on additional tasks. To avoid this, save the first 10 minutes of every morning planning your day. Take the time to get your thoughts in order on what you need to accomplish and establish the top priorities. Doing this will ensure that you spend your time on what matters. Keep a to-do list. Whether you're a fan of to-do lists or not, you should always keep one when you're working. Because the human brain is incredibly bad at remembering things, they can also help to keep you motivated and focused on your day. It is essential that you keep your to-do lists realistic and manageable if you want it to help boost your time management skills. Start a timer while you work. Boosting your time management skills starts with knowing where you spend your time. Having an active timer can help to keep your focus on the task at hand while tracking how your time is being spent. There are a ton of time tracking tools and apps that you can download that can provide you with a way to gather and save precious time data to show you what you're spending your time on. Do the worst task first. Starting your day off by tackling your most dreaded task first is highly recommended as a way to break the procrastination cycle. Completing an enormous, unpleasant task will help you create positive momentum and provide you with the motivation to carry you forward for the rest of the day. If you're looking for a way to boost your time management skills, these 5 simple habits can help you on your way. When you can master your time management, you can increase your productivity and get more done every day.